Okay, family, coming back on with this video. I wanted to share this with you and how this is all, according to what I understand is playing out is, and I'm trying to exit out that. I wanted to give some more insights about this, so bear with me one moment. So, it appeared to be like a hoverboard, and this is actually what France is actually presenting to the world. Someone from France actually came up with this actual concept from the hoverboarding, like when you on the water, and so it says that they're going to invest in this, and it's going to be used as something that they looking for the future as in war or any battles or whatnot. So imagine this. So I just think of it from a spiritual aspect. No matter what man comes up with, the Almighty is so far, 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 far ahead of them. And I know America more so, perhaps saying, not perhaps, I'm going to say it, why we didn't come up with this, why they get to have, this shining day. And it was doing this military actual day there in France. And it's quite, remind you of when it comes to different movies, and things like one, I think it was one of the different movies where they had like looked like a skateboard, but it was a hoverboard that was, moving between, but it didn't go really, really high. I can't recall which movie that is from, but it's Back to the Future or something like that, if that's correct. But anyway, family, I just wanted to provide this article, and just to say that the times that we're living in, they think that they're getting smarter and wiser, and they're able to control what's to come, but they can't. It's all, pretty much a mirage of just different things. And as far as they're gonna be just shocked when they really understand this truth, to know what this is all about when it comes to the Bible, which the Almighty have allowed us to see and read in Revelation, what's going to come on this earth. And no man is going to shield themselves. They can't even hide in rocks. The ones who have built their bunkers in the rocks, they thinking that they're going to be living high on the horse and able to get away from what's happening on the earth. But the Almighty says that He will find them. He know exactly. He knew when they even came with the initial thought. He knew their planning. He knew where all things and all matter is. So I just wanted to share this. I'll share the link that you all can read further into it, but I was sharing it on my previous video, and it got kind of ended at the end there, so I didn't get to share all of it. So I just wanted to put this out there, and just know that the time that we're living in, and what's going to happen. And some other country going to try to come up with something better than this, and then of course America probably going to come out and say, well, we already had that, we just did not present it already, so for whatever means and whatever reason. But I just found it to be quite interesting. All right, family, thank you for listening. Take care. Blessings to each one of you. Praises to the Most High. Honor to His Son, unto the Ruach, and also to all my brothers and sisters out there on the forefront sharing this truth. Shalom, family.